while completing the QRI student profile form, um, I determined that she was in the instructional frustration level for pre-primer 1. So this level of this passage was extremely difficult for her even. She had a 60% on the comprehension questions, 33% on retelling, 89% total acceptability, and 28 words per minute. As far as comprehension goes, um, just needed, it seemed like she just couldn't complete a thought. She had the basic ideas, but not enough to really get a good grasp on what the story was telling her. As far as retelling, same thing. Um, it's almost as if she wasn't even fully engaged with the story while she was reading it. It seemed simple for her to be able to look back and be able to retell, but that was extremely difficult for her to actually verbalize the ideas that she was trying to get out. Um, and as far as that goes, that didn't really surprise me. I was not shocked that she would struggle with this low of a passage. Therefore, I determined at her instructional level as well.